Okay, hi guys. What do you do when you have one massive spot right kind of in the middle of your face? I like to use a smaller brush with a pointier tip so you can really target that area. And I go over it first with a bit of an apricot undertone. Today I'm using 2 and 4, Atelier 2 and 4. And then so I'm starting with actually the deeper shade 4 to counteract the brownish reddish tone that you can see when you have a bit of a scab, which sounds so yucky, but such is life. And then I go over it with 2 to balance the skin tone. And then, when you're going over general redness, red areas, you can kind of just use your foundation brush. The application is much more refined.